Replace the water inlet valve. Prepare the above tools. Remove the back panel screws and take off the back panel. Pull out the terminals with wire pliers. Remove the 4 fixing screws of the water inlet valve. Take out the blue clips at both ends of the water inlet and pull off the water inlet pipe. Take out the water inlet valve. Insert the water inlet pipe onto both ends of the water inlet valve and fasten the clips. Push the pipes firmly onto the ports of the water inlet valve. Secure the water inlet valve with 4 screws. Fasten the 4 corner screws of the rear panel.